I set my lid with MAC paint pot, and then I just put a nude shadow on top. I feel like it's easier to blend when you put another, like a nude shadow before. But a lot of people say that it comes out better with without setting. I don't know, I'm just afraid to try. I'm gonna put half on the pink and half on the skin. Sorry, I'm not used to talking during my videos. I need to get with it. You guys have a good Easter. I'm really gonna make an effort to start talking in my videos again, because I know it's been a while. Now I'm gonna grab a Q-tip, a little bit of water. And I'm just gonna connect. Alright, now that I have the outline, this is like peach with gold glitter. Can you tell which one's my favorite? Regal and Magic. And I think these are better applied with your hand, or your fingers, I mean, not your hand. Should I put shimmer on the outer? Or I know what I'm gonna do. I don't need to. think it's even. So I'm filming this on Thursday, but I'm uploading a video that I filmed a couple days ago. So this one won't go up till probably Saturday. Now I'm using Tatcha primer. It came with this little coin. I don't know if you can see a line. I really love this foundation because it just looks like your skin, but better. Peach thing for under your eyes. Ours. I'm just gonna take a little bit because I already put that peach corrector. So I get some and I tap the excess off and I set wherever I want to. I take it off immediately because it's kind of a drying powder. I think it's for oily skin, and when I used to leave it on for a long time, it just did not look good. But using a wet sponge and taking it off right away seemed to help. This brush is shedding. Morphe. Not morph. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? This is from ESTEE LAUDER. This is from 2 years ago, I think. Do you guys have a certain spot on your face where you feel like makeup doesn't really blend? For me, I feel like it's right here. Like, never blends all the way.